Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the rear lower control arm on the front suspension on Mercedes E-Class W211. This is the control arm that I'm going to be replacing. To remove the control arm, first we need to remove this nut for the ball joint, and also we need to remove the two bolts for the shock for the twist rod and the rear part of the control arm. First, to start by removing the nut for the ball joint. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the bolts on the control arm holding the shock absorber, the twist rod and the rear of the control arm. Next, we're going to remove the rear bolt of the control arm. We're going to hold the nut from here and take the bolt out through there. That's the bolt right there. Now I'm going to take out the bolt and remove the control arm from its place. I'm also going to take it out from the twist rod and also from the shock absorber. Next, I'm going to separate the control arm from the ball joint. To do that, I'm going to use my ball joint separator tool. I'm going to hammer in the ball joint separator tool all the way, and then I'm going to tighten it and it should come out. Here you can see I'm tightening the ball joint separator tool, but the ball joint is stuck into the control arm, so I'm going to heat it up a little bit in order for the ball joint to separate from the control arm. I'm going to heat it up while the ball joint separator is in its place and the ball joint is under pressure. And here you can see the ball joint separated the job, and that's the control arm out of the ball joint. Next, we're going to put on the new control arm. We're going to put in the ball joint first. We're going to put the nut on, and we're also going to tighten the nut. Next, we're going to put the middle part of the control arm into the shock absorber and also into the twist rod, and then we're going to put the rear part of the control arm in its place and put on the bolt. That's the rear bolt on. Now I'm going to put on the nut, and I'm not going to tighten it yet. I'm also going to put the bolt on for the shock absorber and also for the twist rod. I'm not going to tighten any of the bolts yet. I can only tighten this twist rod bolt, but the bolt for the shock absorber and also the rear bolt of the controller, I'm going to tighten them when I lift up the suspension. To put the twist rod in all the way, we just need to turn this bolt joint on the control arm, because there is exact space where the twist rod is going to be sitting, and now I can put on the nut and tighten it. Now, before tightening the bolts for the shock absorber and the rear bolt of the control arm, first I'm going to lift up the suspension all the way, and then I'm going to tighten the bolts. I do that because when I lift the suspension and I tighten the bolts, when the car is sitting on the ground, there's not going to be any pressure on the bushings of the control arm. Once I tighten those bolts, then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.